I'm going to show you guys how to edit a video in Capcut. I'm going to be editing a business video. So, we're just going to be basic editing, cutting stuff out. I might show you my version of how I enhance my audio outside of Capcut, but just showing you the basics of editing. I don't think we're going to be doing too much stuff in this specific video. It's probably going to be a longer video. I'm just going to let it play. So, if you want to watch it in 2x speed, that's up to you. And I work from home, so you might hear kids in the background. Hopefully the audio will clear most of it up, but if not, sorry, but I got to get these videos out there. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, so we're going to be in here. So I'm on Mac, so if you take 2 fingers and widen, go opposite directions, you can zoom in and out, or you can use right here, zoom in and out. And pretty much what I'm doing is cutting out all the stuff I don't want. That's the first thing I'm doing, so I can put the clip back together and do edits and stuff like that. So I'm not going to be talking much. I might throw out some hotkeys that I use, which is just a quicker route. And all my hotkeys are up here. So you see split, which is Command B for Mac. And delete left is Q. Delete right is W. If you want a marker, meaning you want to come back and do a specific thing right here, you can hit this, or you can hit M for marker. And then you can, if you mess up, you can press back or Command Z. So you can write these down. And these are, I'm still like figuring these out, but I know one of them is, turn off main track magnet. And this is the main one I know, snapping. So snapping means pretty much if I split, let me come here. If I split this, you see it'll snap it right back. So I think if we turn this off, see, for some reason it works. So it's this one too. So turn on main track magnet and auto snapping. So you see that it'll snap it back. If you take it off, you can kind of put it anywhere. So we're going to keep this on. You're just going to keep them regular. And Command Z. See, Command Z will take you back to everything you did. And now we're back. So let's edit it. And then another one you'll see me use is L. So you're here. And if you keep hitting it, it goes faster and faster. And then J to go backwards. Sometimes I use them. I don't use them much, but sometimes. So let's get right into it. And I'm pretty much going to be cutting out the stuff I don't want. So that, I don't need that. We're cutting out all the stuff we don't need. So we're going to, and space bar is to press go. So we're going to, then I want to use Q to cut the space out. And I'm going to zoom in a little more. And another way you can do it, you can drag. Just be careful when you drag. Make sure the audio on the other side sounds like it's supposed to sound, because sometimes you drag and it just messes the audio up. I don't know, it's weird. So just look for that. Or the safe way is just dragging it to wherever you want. Command B to split, press it, delete. So you're here, and we're talking about, once again, the Home Business Academy's affiliate program, space, Command B, Q. And let's get right, just make sure everything sounds good. Your program, and let's get in the Home Business Academy's affiliate program, and let's get right into it. So the reason why I love this place is because you want to come into business with recurring income if you can. Hit the space bar if you want to find your place, or you can just drag over. Income if you can, meaning every sale that you get, we don't need that sale. So we can take this space out, drag it over, because you got to pay attention. You don't want to cut your audio off. If you're new, just use this. Like I said, you can zoom in, and I'll just use this so you can see it. You can zoom in. Command B, and you just press it to delete. I'm going to be using both just so I can put it in your head, all the different hotkeys that you get. Meaning every sale that you get, cut this space out, Q. You get, you can cut this out as well. Q. Get there on a recurrence space. Q. You can earn, space, Command B. Because it's about a hundred. Because it's about about 100. It's 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 because because it's about 100. It's about Q sales because it's about 100. Now kind of a little chopped off. So if you come here, you can just press and drag it a little bit. These sales because about 100 and. So I'm gonna pause it here and get back when we get to the end, just so you guys don't have to sit through this whole video. Alrighty, so we're still editing a little bit. I want to show you another hotkey. Let's go with $8 a month. So here's the W. It's gonna do everything after. 80% commission. Funnel builder is 25. So 80% commission. Funnel builder is 20. Let's go is $10 a month and it pays $8 a month. Funnel builder is $25 a month and it pays $20 a month. And premium traffic and conversions. Don't think you have to record videos perfect. You're gonna edit them. To even do events every year. We have an event coming up, or you don't have to. Tyler, it's just a bunch of marketers. Tyler, it's just I'm going on 7 years, a bunch of more switching things up. There's a lot. All right, so now that we have our video edited, so what I always do is come in here and I'll drag and highlight everything, or Command A, right click, and we'll do create compound clip, which is going to put everything together. You can always right click and undo compound clip. And this is how I'm able to have everything smoothly together. You want to make sure you edit very well. Like, you want to make sure everything's edited before you start doing effects and other stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is right click and extract audio. And I'm going to show you guys why. And then, like I said, I don't think I'm going to really add too much in here, just to keep it simple. And then I'll probably do another video adding stuff to a video. I think I'm just gonna keep this video like this. So what I'll do is show you how I enhance my audio. So you can do it here if you just want to keep it simple. Normalize is gonna bring the volume higher. See how it's low right here. So we'll see it's loading. So now listen, Academy's affiliate program, and then they have some enhanced audio, which usually enhances the audio. It just doesn't usually work that good to me. So we'll see if it works. It's probably gonna take a little bit. Usually if these don't sound good, what I'll usually do is I'll take off enhance. I'll see how good enhance works. And if it works good, I'll keep it. If I'm like, all right, I need a little more, I'll try reduce noise. If it isn't working, I'll turn this off and I'll just do this, because this will, if you just do keep vocal, it will take out everything except the vocal. So that usually cleans it up. So we'll see. Just like right now, it's taking a little long, so you can use that. So what I usually do is, and let me actually open my app. I'm actually going to go to Adobe Podcaster. Usually they do a free account. Hopefully they still do it. But it's a nice investment if they don't. So if you're gonna really do video. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how it looks. So actually I'm gonna keep this on the screen while we do it. And what you do is you export and you uncheck audio. Label this is, and then you're gonna save it where you wanna save it. So I'm going to save it here, and then you uncheck the video and just keep audio checked. Then you can open folder. So we're gonna pretty much drag it in here, and it's gonna do all the work. So I want you guys to hear the before. So you're here and we're talking about, once again, the Home Business Academy's affiliate program, and let's get right into it. So the reason why I love this place is, so we're gonna download, and I usually download it same place. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna redo it. So what I did was open a folder. Wherever you saved it, it's gonna have enhanced in parentheses. You're gonna drag it in. Then you can either hit the original voice or you can pull this all the way down. So we'll just hit this. So you're here and we're talking about once, and now you have a way high quality video. And then what I'm gonna do here is export with video. And we're gonna label it the keyword we're doing our YouTube video on. And then we're gonna save, make sure we're saving it to the right spot. And that is how you edit a video and take out all the spaces and clean up your video in Capcut. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna edit it down. Hopefully it's a pretty easy to digest video and you have those hotkeys to help you edit quick, and you'll be popping out videos quicker than most. Let me know what else you want to learn on Capcut. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Make sure you have your notifications on and you're subscribed.